guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lucy. I'm a mum of 2 boys, soon to be mum of 4, so I'm currently 34 weeks pregnant with twin girls, so very near the end. I wanted to make this video because I've been pregnant 3 times now. This is my 3rd pregnancy and I feel like I've picked up some tips, tricks and hacks along the way to make maternity styling and dressing a little bit easier. It can be a bit of a minefield. I remember my first pregnancy, I was kind of like all over the place. I was like, what do I wear? I felt like I really lost my sense of style and I genuinely had no idea what to wear and what not to wear. And postpartum I also really struggled, so I'll be doing another video postpartum. So this video is for my pregnant self at age 23, not knowing anyone else that was really pregnant, not having a clue about what to wear. So this is what I would say to 23-year-old pregnant Lucy on what to wear, how to dress, and also on a budget as well, because it can be really expensive because your whole wardrobe pretty much won't really fit you that well. So this is hopefully going to show you a few different ways you can maybe still wear some items you have and changing your wardrobe up by just investing in a few basics that will see you through your whole pregnancy. So let's get started. Okay, so your basic items in your wardrobe, depending on the season, and actually you can wear these items in both seasons in the UK, are going to be a pair of maternity leggings. Now the ones I'm showing you here are from Amazon, but my ultimate go-to pair of maternity leggings are from Topshop. One, because the quality and the value, they're so reasonably priced for the quality, they fit really nice and they're really comfortable. They are also very flattering and non-see-through. And my second staple would be a maxi dress, because in the summer when I was pregnant with my second child, I lived in maxi dresses, so I just found them so comfortable, and I'm going to show you how they can work in winter as well. So those 2 items are kind of key for building a maternity wardrobe. Leggings are so easy to wear every day with an oversized jumper or an oversized t-shirt, and the same with maxi dresses. The next item I want to talk about is cardigans. So you may have quite a few cardigans in your wardrobe, I know that I do, and cardigans can really change up an outfit when you are pregnant. They can work with both leggings or a maxi dress. So with leggings, I would pair a vest or a t-shirt with the leggings and then throw on a really nice cardigan over the top, because no matter what size you may grow to, your cardigans should still fit you throughout your whole pregnancy, because they don't need to kind of meet in the middle. Even if they're a bit small, they will still look fine with leggings and a top. I'm actually wearing an all-in-one jersey kind of bodysuit from Boohoo, which I love actually, and it looks so nice with cardigans. You can also wear this bodysuit as leggings, so I could throw a jumper over the top and then it looks like leggings. It's an item you can kind of play around with. Everything I mention and that I'm showing you today will be linked below if you did want to have a look further. You can also use cardigans to add a pop of colour to your outfits. So I am wearing this cream knit one, which is gorgeous, from Matalan, but you can add a totally different colour depending on the season and it will just completely change your look. And if you keep your maxi dresses to neutral and plain colours, cardigans also work brilliantly with them too. Next up, I want to talk about shaping your maternity wear. So sometimes you can buy items, and a lot of the items that I buy are actually non-maternity, but again I will come to that in a minute. I picked up this top from Primark, so I just oversized. It's not a maternity top, super cheap. I believe it was something like £2. I picked it up, bought it home, and it just didn't fit right, like round the bump. It wasn't kind of very flattering. So sometimes clothes that are not maternity can be unflattering because they don't kind of fit around your bump. They're not built for your shape. But I always fit these clothes to my shape with hair clips and hairbands. If you get a hairband and fit the top to your body shape, it looks so much better. It really does. It's so easy to do and it's so easy to shape with a little hairband. I just tuck it up underneath and you can't even tell you've done it. So you can do this on all different types of clothing, and it really will make a difference on how the item of clothing will fit you. For me, comfort is always key when dressing in pregnancy, and skirts are a great way to be comfortable but still look on trend. So I have this gorgeous leopard print skirt from Topshop, which I've just sized up in, again non-maternity. And also the beauty of sizing up is that potentially these items may still fit you postpartum. I got this skirt in a size 12, so I'm pretty confident it will fit me postpartum, and I can also always secure it with a belt, so I'm definitely going to be wearing this postpartum and in pregnancy. But skirts are so comfortable because they don't sit on the bump, they sit kind of above it. There's nothing worse in pregnancy when you wear something and it's too tight, really restricting, and it just doesn't feel good, so I never do it. In the summer you can wear those kind of skirts, or any skirt, with a t-shirt and wear it over the skirt if you wanted to, or tuck it in. That's a really lovely look. Or in the winter you can pair it with a nice oversized jumper. That is such a lovely look with skirts. It's one of my favourite looks for winter, is a nice oversized jumper tucked in to a long midi skirt, and it's such a perfect pregnancy look. On trend and comfortable. I would pair it with biker boots. You could also wear trainers, and if it was really chilly outside you could wear it with tights. To find inspiration for maternity outfits, I always turn to Instagram. So I follow pregnant people on Instagram because I'm pregnant, and it will help you take inspiration for what kind of outfits you can wear and that will suit your body shape. So I absolutely love this picture that I found on Instagram of this beautiful lady wearing a skirt, a jumper and trainers. Obviously this look will only work in certain seasons, and obviously on Instagram there is so much content, so you'll be able to find looks for every single season. And I always save these photos into like a pregnancy folder, so when I am lacking maternity wear inspo, I will just go in there, have a look and refresh my memory on some kind of outfits I can put together. My next tip would be to size up, not necessarily go straight for maternity wear. So maternity wear can potentially be quite pricey, not everywhere but some places, but if you just size up in the places that you'd normally shop, then it suddenly doesn't become so daunting. Obviously you don't want to spend loads of money because it's only for a short period you'll be wearing it. But if you do size up in some items, such as a skirt, they will still fit you postpartum too, and potentially for another few years, because you can kind of secure them with hairbands or with a belt. So most of my maternity wardrobe is actually from me just sizing up, especially in things that are a stretchy material. So this beautiful jumper dress from Topshop is a size medium, and it's non-maternity, but it's got such a lovely stretch. It will fit me now when I'm pregnant right until the end because it's that kind of material, but it's also that kind of material that goes back, so it'll also fit me postpartum and then for as long as I want to wear it. So that then makes it such a better buy than going out and buying an expensive maternity dress which is kind of shaped for your bump, which you can't really wear postpartum, and again because it will just look a bit odd and the shape won't be quite right. So my advice would be to always size up where you can. Go into your husband or your partner's wardrobe and see what they have that you can wear. So Jordan luckily is really into fashion like I am, and if I can't find anything that catches my eye in my wardrobe, I will head to his. And look what I picked out today, this gorgeous Zara hoodie. I was with him when he bought it. It's such a lovely colour, and as often men's clothing isn't as fitted, it fits me perfectly. This is a men's small and I love the way it looks. So Jordan doesn't mind sharing, luckily. So definitely go and check out your partner's wardrobe. Another thing you can do to mix up your current wardrobe is to look at your shirts you may have. So I have quite a collection of check shirts that obviously won't do up in my pregnancy. I also have some other oversized ones. They look great just over a vest top and leggings. Now the vest could just be from Primark, so obviously the leggings will be maternity leggings and the vest could be from anywhere. I know Boohoo do maternity vests. Primark just do vests that you can get in a bigger size that are really reasonably priced, and then you can put one of your shirts over the top, and that is a lovely look to throw together all year round. My next tip would be to look around. So you want to be going to places like Primark that do things at such a reasonable price. Now I haven't actually seen any maternity wear in Primark this time I was pregnant. I did the previous time, but I have actually been wearing some Primark leggings. I just sized up and they actually fit fine. You can get basics in Primark such as the long sleeve top that I've shown you how to fit your bump nicely. You can get cardigans, you can get vests, you can get so many pieces that you can wear throughout your pregnancy. There are also places online that do maternity, such as Boohoo Maternity. That is a really reasonable maternity range, and that's where I got this all-in-one jersey bodysuit from. And because they are maternity items that don't necessarily need to last you for years and years and years, you don't have to worry so much on how long they're going to last, because they are just for maternity. Because this is a maternity bodysuit, I probably won't be able to wear it afterwards because it'll all be out of shape. Nasty Gal was also somewhere you can shop on a budget because they always have the most insane sale on, and I have got pieces from there. I wore a dress which I will insert a picture of, that was from Nasty Gal. It was £14 I believe, so if you do have an occasion or something like that where you're going to just be buying a one-off piece that needs to fit you just for that one night when you're heavily pregnant and you obviously don't want to spend a load of money because the likelihood is you won't really wear it again, then I would totally recommend just sizing up on Nasty Gal. They don't have a maternity range, but if you just size up, it will fit you fine. The next hack I want to share with you is actually one I found out about in my first pregnancy. I can't even remember how I found out about it. It was 6 years ago, but it is the hairband trick around your jean buttonhole. So if you have a pair of skinny jeans, and I did do this in my first pregnancy, obviously quite soon into the first trimester you don't really want to be squeezing your stomach into skinny jeans because it will just be really uncomfortable. So if you put a hairband around it, it will still keep your jeans secure but give you loads of space to move. It's kind of like an elasticated waist. It's a really good trick and I used it a lot on my first pregnancy. So that is the end of my maternity hacks. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you soon.